This presentation is for Assignment 3 of the course Digital Environments, Information Society, and Internet of Things. Our project is about designing an indoor air quality monitoring device. The purpose of the project is to design a device to monitor the air quality level, which can be polluted from indoor and outdoor sources, and to inform the users when the air quality of the apartment is low to take some actions to have a healthier indoor air quality. Our target group in the beginning was centered on students with families. However, recommendations were given to widen the target group at the project plan presentation. We embraced the suggestions and removed the restriction of having only students with families as the target group and considered the individuals with different characteristics. The new target group is any person with different characteristics who lives in any type of accommodations. To find the participants in this project, each of the group members introduced a person among their network. Therefore, we have 5 participants. Here, you can see our target group. We are not finalized yet. 4 interviews are completed and 1 interview is outstanding. We use a combination of participatory design and user-centered design methods. Understanding the context, we use interviews, cultural probes, requirements gathering, interviews, design prototyping using papers and mockups, evaluation, again, interviews. From the interviews and also literature reviews, we came to some initial findings. From the literature review and also some participants stated that people spend more time in indoor environment. Therefore, the indoor air quality is important. From the point of view of the participants, dust from outside or through ventilation system, temperature, humidity, fumes from cookings, gases, and dirt generated from the garbage are some indoor pollutants that could pose risk to the health. Humidity, temperature, gases, dust, odor, and pollen are the most important parameters which participants wanted to be measured in their apartments. All of the participants said that the best way for connecting to the air quality monitoring device would be via Wi-Fi to an app. Some preferred to get notified via beep sound on the app or push notification or SMS or email. The best place for installing the device is the living room for most of the participants, as they spend more time in the living room. However, some of them preferred a portable device allowing them to move the device to monitor the indoor air quality levels in any place inside the apartments. We will analyze the data we gathered qualitatively using thematic data analysis as a method. According to Creswell and Creswell 2018, there are several steps that can be taken to analyze qualitative data. The following explains how we are planning to take these steps in our project. Arrange raw data, document the transcripts based on the interviews, organize and prepare the data for analysis, add main findings from the transcripts to a tabular format based on each question, read through all data, read all answers from participants thoroughly, coding data, identify the similar words or patterns in the data and group them together as codes. Generate the themes, categorize the codes as themes, identify the themes and interpret the meaning of themes. We are dealing with some issues. Finding the appropriate participatory design method to use since we cannot all be together was initially a challenge. But to remedy this, we decided to use cultural props, inspirational cards and maps, delivered online, and video prototyping. The user engagement is low compared to the plan originally we had with participatory design. Inability to refine the ideas and get combined feedback from the participants at once since they cannot be gathered together in one physical place or online space due to their unavailability. Participants' facial expressions and feelings cannot be understood since we cannot meet interviewees physically. We cannot really immerse ourselves in the user's context environment. Lack of understanding of the user's environment or the context of their space. As a solution to understand the user's environment better, we decided to use cultural props, inspirational cards, and maps delivered online. Few of our participants have really not thought of the potential effects or causes of pollution in their homes, and this made it a bit difficult for them to be specific on their requirements. But they had a general idea of what they would be interested, what to measure, such as dust and humidity. Here is our references. Thank you.